Hey guys, David here again. We're going to talk about tempered glass screen protectors. Everyone who works here uses them, and my kids even use them for their iPads. Now, what a tempered glass screen protector actually is, it's a crystal that goes over your screen so that cracks before the actual phone cracks. Getting a screen protector really preserves your phone, and it's a lot cheaper and more cost-effective than actually repairing the phone. A screen repair can cost $65 up to $200. And a tempered glass screen protector, which will help protect your phone, can cost between $25 to $45. Not all tempered glass screen protectors are created equal. The ones you buy on Amazon and eBay are definitely not the same as they sell in our store, the Apple Store, or even Verizon. The ones that we're buying are repair grade. They're a little bit thicker, they have a better nano coating on them, they're oil and scratch resistant, they're a bit thicker, and they last a bit longer. On here is a tempered glass screen protector. I bet you couldn't even tell, but it is on there. So I have a screwdriver here. Let me show you how scratch resistant this is. This is my $1,500 phone. I wouldn't suggest this, but I do want to show you the quality of glass that we actually use here. This is my personal phone. Don't do this at home, children. But it actually does work. And if you see here, the phone is crystal clear. I see no scratches. Let's give it a little clean here with some alcohol. And it is crystal clear. So these really do work. I'm gonna try a little bit harder to break the glass to show you the quality of it. This is a real screwdriver from Home Depot, so it does work. Let's try again, guys. Nothing is happening. I am stabbing it very, very hard. I don't wanna break my phone, but I do wanna show you the quality of the screen. It is not breaking. I mean, this is some tough stuff, guys. Let's try a new tool. How about a pair of scissors? It is still scratch resistant and really, really does work. I'm very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This is very impressive. I mean, you can hear how hard I'm hitting it. This is a $1,500 phone. I really don't want to break it, but I do want to show you the quality of it. I mean, wow, I am impressed. I hope you are also. And let me take it off to show you that it actually is on here. And it's just that easy to take off sometimes, and it is that easy to put on. Do you see it, Jerry? Yep. A good quality tempered glass works this way. A bad quality one, you cannot just take on and off like that. But as you can see, it's not broken. Let me show. We just bent it 180 degrees and it has not broken. This is some strong tempered glass. Ooh, well, that worked out pretty well. You can see the quality of this is top notch. Now that you saw me crack my tempered glass screen protector and how durable it actually was, Mike is gonna install a brand new one on my phone. We make sure we do a perfect job. There are no dust, there is no bubbles. We guarantee that. And if there are dust or bubbles, we will throw out the tempered glass and do it again for you until it is perfect. We want to make sure it's perfect for you, perfect for us. We only like to do a perfect job in everything that we do here. We have 3 types of tempered glass that we offer here at the Fix by iCity. This is our lifetime warranty one. It's only $45 the first time and $10 unlimited times after that for the life of the phone. So anytime you crack it or scratch it or it doesn't look good, $10. You come back, no hassle, we put a new one on. Now we have the same exact one for only $30, okay? There's no warranty on it, you buy it one time, that's it. Then we have this one over here. This was our old lifetime one that got bumped down the list. It's only $25. It's also extremely good. These are repair grade tempered glasses. We highly recommend all of them. And then finally, we have a privacy tempered glass. A lot of people don't want, their phone being seen by others, so we have a privacy tempered glass as well. We recommend tempered glass for any iPhone or any Galaxy. This is your way to prevent your phone from breaking and not pay a full price for a repair.